guys, this is my entry video for the 2018 NYX Face Awards Singapore. I was watching a documentary about the beautiful Queen Nefertiti, who basically vanished from history, and I was inspired to create this Undead Nefertiti look. The first step to creating this look is to prime your face. I used the NYX Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer. The next step is to conceal my eyebrows. I used a Q-tip and glue stick to cover all the eyebrow hairs and push it down flat to my skin so that it doesn't stick out. To remove the tackiness of the glue stick, I applied the HD Studio finishing powder using a blending sponge. Then, I covered my eyebrows with a layer of the HD Photogenic concealer in the shade Porcelain. This is so that I can blend it out to match my Undead Nefertiti skin tone. Then, I powder it down again using the same finishing powder so that it will set and remain matte for this look. You can repeat the steps using the concealer and finishing powder if you want your eyebrows to be more invisible, but for this particular look, I don't need to. To sketch the rough details of this look, I use a black eyeliner. Then, I use the Total Control Drop Foundation in the shade Pale as the base for my skin. Blend it out using a wet blending sponge. To darken my eye socket for the sunken corpse look, I use NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean. For my undead teeth, I use NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk to draw in each tooth. To help set my sunken eyes, I use the Primal colors in Hot Black, but you can just use any black eyeshadow that you prefer. Next, I use the Full Blacks eyeliner in Oxblood to add in the gum details around each teeth. This is to give it more depth and make it look more realistic. Then I decided to give my Undead Nefertiti a hollowed out nose, so I cover it up in the same Jumbo Eye Pencil. A thinner black eyeliner is useful to darken the lines surrounding the teeth to make it more 3D. Using a red face paint, I painted the exposed gums and flesh. To emphasize on the different sunken areas of the Undead, I use a brown eyeshadow. Think contour but for a corpse. To add more shadows around the narrow areas of the skin, I use NYX Build Them Brow Powder in Auburn. The tip is really sharp and perfect for more precise shading around tiny spaces. Black face paint or black eyeliner is perfect to add in the finer details that were lost during the different shading steps. Then, I use NYX White Liquid Liner to highlight certain areas of the skin to make it pop. Using the same primal color, I added more dark shadows so that the flesh looked deeper and more realistic. I dabbed a layer of concealer on my concealed brows to make it look as though my brow bone is protruding more than it actually is. This is to make my eye sockets look even more sunken. Using NYX Highlight and Contour Cream Pro Palette and a yellow cream paint, I added more details on each tooth to give it a more rotten and decayed look. Using a brown cream paint and a stipple sponge, I gently pat it on some areas on my face to add more texture to the skin and make it look more discolored and decayed, since it is an ancient corpse and all. I can't have flawless skin, can I? Before painting my hands and getting it all dirty, I put on some accessories. Being a queen and all, you gotta have jewelry. Then using black and brown face paint, I painted my hands to make it look grotesque. Prior to this, I used some thermoplastic to mold claws for my nails. If you are interested in that and would like a video for that, do sound off in the comments below. And that's how you turn from regular to royalty.
Camera rolling and action.
No!
Thank you so much for watching my tutorial, guys. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook page. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos.